What is a private annuity and how does it work? Have you ever wondered how to turn your assets into a steady income while simplifying your estate planning? Let's talk about private annuities and how they can help you avoid probate. A private annuity is a legal arrangement where one person, known as the annuitant or seller, transfers ownership of an asset to another party, called the obligor or buyer. In exchange, the obligor promises to make fixed payments to the annuitant for the rest of their life. This arrangement is often used within families, like when a parent sells a property to a child. The process begins when the annuitant sells their asset, which could be real estate, a business, or securities. The obligor then agrees to pay the annuitant a stream of payments for their lifetime. This can be structured as a single life annuity, which pays only the annuitant, or a joint and survivor annuity, which pays both the annuitant and their spouse. One of the main benefits of a private annuity is its ability to help avoid probate. Since the ownership of the asset transfers immediately to the buyer, it is no longer part of the annuitant's probate estate. This can simplify the probate process after the annuitant passes away, making things easier for the family. Additionally, private annuities can provide estate tax benefits. The transaction is treated as a sale, not a gift, which means the asset can leave the seller's estate without incurring gift or estate taxes at the time of transfer, as long as the payments are equal to the asset's fair market value. Another advantage is the guaranteed income for life. This can be particularly helpful for retirees who need a steady cash flow. It allows the annuitant to maintain their financial stability while transferring valuable family assets, like a family business or heirloom property, to the next generation. However, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. The payments from the obligor are unsecured, meaning if the obligor faces financial troubles, the annuitant may not receive their payments. There is also the risk of longevity. If the annuitant lives longer than expected, the total payments could exceed the asset's value, potentially putting a strain on the obligor. If the obligor dies before the annuitant, their estate is responsible for continuing the payments. Additionally, the annuitant must report the income received from the annuity, which may have tax implications depending on how the arrangement is structured. In summary, a private annuity can be a strategic tool in estate planning. It allows individuals to convert an asset into a lifetime income stream while transferring ownership outside of probate. This method can provide tax advantages and facilitate family wealth transfer, but it is essential to consider the risks and legal requirements involved.